And I wanted to show you the difference between my chair and the new ViscoLogic gaming chair. So now both handles are good. Now we gotta attach it to this guy. This is kind of what it looks like. It's under $100. It looks great, looks sharp. The reviews were good on it, and it's comfortable. Nothing bad to say, honestly. I'm stealing a racing chair. We're gonna be reviewing a ViscoLogic gaming racing style chair. So you can see that all this fell off and it's been peeling. You see? And this stuff gets around the house. This brand new, beautiful. Gotta say, it's very comfortable. Very comfortable. It is a sports car ViscoLogic office chair model number YF2710WB. Let's open it up. So we have, okay, so here is the first armrest. Okay, so this is PU leather with some stitching, silver stitching. So we've got our second one. All right, so now we've got two. Let's take this out. Ooh. I want to put this in my car. Looks pretty nice. It feels very soft. So this is the pattern. Again, more stitching. So it looks good. Doesn't look like there's any problems so far. Okay, so this is for the bolts. Okay. Alright. Okay. We've got our instruction manual. Let's have a see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple. Alright, so that's your back. We've got the base. Ooh, even the wheels have two tones. The wheel itself, kind of a rubbery material. Feels sturdy, quiet, which is good. Yes. So this is what's going to be adjusting our height. And finally, we've got the actual base itself. It's got these plastic accents on the side. Yeah, it's plastic. Definite plastic, but it feels strong. Okay. So this is where you put the wheel. The wheels aren't made of hard plastic. They're made of like a little silicone-y rubbery plastic, so it won't scratch your floors. Flip it around. These are really good wheels because you're not gonna necessarily need one of those plastic mats. Hydraulic goes in here. It just rests. And with this, and this, I guess this goes on here. This goes in here. And then you've got your bolts. So you've got an Allen key. All right, you can do it like this instead of using an Allen key and then just go brrr. Saves you a whole lot of trouble. All right, so let's get the frames. Let's take this, okay. So the front is here. And it says right here, it's labeled left and right. So that's left, so left side. I guess it's their left. It's gonna go like this, yeah. So you know it's correct because these are gonna be on the outside and they're gonna be on the inside. You see? So this goes in here now, basically. There we go, nice and sturdy. If you're gonna use a drill, don't go in too far because this will scrape the paint off of here. So now both handles are good. Now we gotta attach it to this guy. And we stick it. Again, one hand. So these holes gotta line up with those holes right here. And the easiest way to put that in is if you put it on the side and then you push these guys over the holes. You put this through and then you screw it in. When you're tightening these, you only want to go as far as it stops. You don't want to be over tightened, then you may not be able to get it off. Alright, so the last step is to put this guy on that. This is kind of what it looks like. It's under $100. It looks great, looks sharp. The reviews were good on it, and it's comfortable. Nothing bad to say, honestly. It came out really good. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. And if you didn't, that's okay. Watch the other videos. Marcin out. The fate for this chair has been sealed.